So let's start adding our ingredients to our bowl. So I'm going to go in with salt, and I like using sea salt. Next, ginger powder, celery salt, white pepper. You need to use white pepper in this recipe, guys. Chinese food calls for a lot of white pepper, so hence the reason why we're adding in white pepper. And I'm going to go in with 5-spice powder. 5-spice powder can be found on Amazon, on all supermarkets, even in American supermarkets, and readily available in Trinidad. Next goes in some black pepper, so that will give you a different flavor element, the white versus the dark or the black. And in goes some paprika. Okay, so now for the last ingredient, which is totally optional, and that is for some MSG. Now, if you guys don't want to use MSG in this recipe, you don't have to. It is totally optional. A lot of recipes that are Chinese recipes call for that MSG. So if you wanted to omit it, you can. I personally love to put a little bit of it in my food. But of course, as I said, omit it. So you give everything a mix to combine. Meet your new Chinese salt. This tastes really good, guys. I am really impressed. Those amounts were really balanced well. So you guys see how simple this is to make. And just use the ingredients that I tell you to use. As I said, omit the MSG if you didn't want to use it. And when you're using this, please use it sparingly, as it contains a lot of salt. You don't need to add salt when you're using this until you're finished cooking your dish, and then you taste and adjust your salt. This is great to make Chinese style fried chicken. Amazing, guys. I can't believe how good this thing tastes, and I can't wait for you all to try this recipe. So if you guys make this, comment and let me know down below. I want to hear from you. I'm really excited for you all to try it. Thank you all so much for watching my videos. Thank you for being here with me and on this channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. So please remember to like and share this video, hit the bell so you'll be notified of all my latest videos, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys and stay safe.